Good morning and welcome to today's class. Today we will be doing the question and answers of the chapter which are left. Now we will go to question number 4 of your book, page 38. The question reads, explain the exclusive and inclusive method used in classification of data. Copy down that question. Explain the exclusive and inclusive methods used in classification of data. That is the question. The answer: exclusive series are those series which are so formed that the upper limit of one class interval is the lower limit of the next class interval. The observations with magnitude greater than or equal to lower limit but less than the upper limit of a class are included in a class interval to make it an exclusive series. For example, we have, let's say, wages given in rupees, and we have the frequency zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and you can give any value 5, 6, 9, 10. So children, when in exclusive series, when 10 is to be placed in a tally bar, it will not be placed over here, but it will be placed in the next class interval. Similarly, 20 will be in this, 30 will be over here, and so on. That is what it says. These are observations with magnitudes greater than or equal to the lower limit, but less than the upper limit. Less than, up to 9 will be in this class, 10 will come here, up to 19 in this class, up to 29 in this class, up to 39 in this class. Inclusive series inclusive series. These series are so formed that the observations with magnitude greater than or equal to the lower limit and less than or equal to the upper limit of a class interval are included in the class itself. Here, the upper limit of one class interval is not equal to the lower limit of its class interval. For example, if we take the same, this is wages and frequency, we can give any frequency. Okay. Next, question number 7. What is loss of information in classified data? Your answer I had already given you on page number 33 and 34. Those who have not marked, kindly mark them again in your book itself. Later on, when you get time, you can complete the notes in your copy. On page number 33, you will start from once the data are grouped on this right hand side, 7th line. Once the data are grouped into classes, an individual observation has no significance in further statistical calculations. Then turn your page to 34. The use of class marks, that is the 4th line, the use of class marks instead of the actual value of the observation in statistical methods involves considerable loss of information. Till there. Have you found that answer, all of you? Yeah? Okay. Good. So we go on to the next question. Leave space for this. You can do it at leisure. This question. Okay. The next question in your book is, do you agree that classified data is better than raw data? Why? That's the question. Do you agree that classified data is better than the raw data? Why? Answer is yes. Classified data are better than raw data because it presents the data in concise, C-O-N-C-I-S-E, concise, comma, comprehensive, and comparable order. Next question. Question number 9. Distinguish between univariate and bivariate frequency distribution. Question number 9. Distinguish between univariate and bivariate frequency distribution. Answer. Univariate data is a single variable which is presented in a frequency. Univariate data of a single variable are presented in a frequency. Bivariate data of two variables are presented in a frequency distribution. Bivariate are two variables data presented in a frequency distribution. The 10th we have already done. That's it. So you don't need to do question number 5 and 11 because we have not done the topic as yet. For 5 range, we will do that later on. Okay, this completes your chapter 3, numericals as well as the question and answers. Now children, I had also shared with the screen a few numericals 9 and 10. I understand you have taken them down. Have you taken them down or no? The question 9 and 10 you have also copied. I had shared it on screen and I had asked you to share it. Yes, COVID, thank you. We had shared these questions and I had asked you to take them down. Okay, so those are the questions for you to do at home. Practice the bivariate specially. Okay, Now, for your term 1, which will be in the first week of October, okay, your portion is chapter 1, 2 and 3 of statistics. And in economics, microeconomics, we have one topic still to complete, which is demand. Demand, market demand, demand curve, demand schedule, shifts in demands, right up to percentage method of calculating demand. Okay, so from tomorrow, back again, I will be doing economics, taking up the topic demand, and your portion will be up to demand. Chapter right from the beginning, the notes right up to demand. Is that okay? Your term 1 exam would be sometime in the first week of October. The dates and the timetable will be forwarded to you in due course of time. However, chapter 1 to 3 in statistics and in microeconomics till demand chapter, that chapter is left. We have enough of time. From tomorrow we will do demand. Any questions, any queries from any of you? You are welcome to unmute yourself and ask the question. Anyone? So I take it everything is understood, everything is in order. Please complete your notes, keep your copy up to date with all the topics which is being done in class, all the numericals done in the class. Okay, when schools open, when they do, remember there are copy marks, copy checking, all that. So keep your work up to date. Okay, since there is no problem from any of you, we shall close down today and come back tomorrow to begin the new chapter in economics, that is demand. Till then, all of you have a nice day and stay safe.